Hello, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the construction and working of NPN transistor. So what is the transistor can be operated at the active regions to operate as amplifier. So we are talking about the NPN transistors. So NPN transistor having the three regions where emitter, base and collector having two junctions, emitter junction and collector junction. So emitter as it is N P N. So what are the majority charge carriers? Electrons. Then what are the minority charge carriers? Holes. Here the P. So in the P region, the majority charge carriers are holes and the minority charge carriers are electrons. As the same, here majority charge carriers are electrons and minority charge carriers are these holes. Then how to operate this transistor in the active region? To operate in the active region, the emitter base junction must be operated in the forward bias and collector base junction must be operated in the reverse bias. So how to give the biasing? So as it is a negative, so we have to give negative sign and negative terminal to the battery, and then positive to base is nothing but forward biased in NP. Then how to reverse bias it? So how to reverse bias means giving the collector terminal to positive terminal of the battery and this base to negative terminal of the battery. So this biasing is nothing but a reverse bias. So finally the whole biasing is nothing but the active region, giving the active region, operating the transistor in the active mode. So as it is having the negative terminal here, the electrons are of negative charge. So these negative charge and negative terminals tends to repel and this whole electrons will move towards the base and then to collector. So while crossing the this base regions, the electron hole combinations will be happen as it is having the electron here having the majority charge carriers as holes. So these two charge carriers will recombine of 1 to 2%. So 1 to 2% of this current, IE current recombines with holes in base. So current that is flowing here is upwards IB and the collector current IC. So as it is having here positive terminal, as it is having the positive terminal in the collector regions, so this negative terminals tends to flow towards the collector junctions. So it flows to collector regions. What it flows? Emitter current. So while flowing to the collector regions, this collector region having the minority charge carriers as holes, their reverse saturation currents will constitute, and even though it is not having the voltage here at the emitter junctions, the reverse saturation currents will start flowing towards the base. So it is termed at ICB0, the current on the collector region to base open emitter. Here O not indicates the open emitter, means if it is not given the voltage also the reverse saturation currents tend to flow. So finally The emitter current can be called as the sum of the IC current and IB currents. So IE current is the sum of the IC current plus IB current. So having the IC current, so we have the IC current as two ways. The fraction of IE current, as the current is flowing towards the collector, so IC current is the fraction of IE current plus, here we have the saturation current. The saturation current is ICB naught, so we give ICB naught. So this is about the construction and working of the NPN transistor, where to operate in the active regions, we give the emitter junction to the forward bias and the collector junction to the reverse bias. So having the 1 to 2% of the holes are here. So the nearly 90% to 99 to 99% current will flows towards the collector. So this is about the construction and working of the NPN transistor. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.